Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to set this paper size envelope B5. You can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So firstly you need to page layout tab, just click on it. Now size, now find here this option envelope B5. You can find it, so just click on it to set it. If you not find here, so click on more paper size and paper size, just click on here and find this paper size, select it, click on OK. So this way you can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.